Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Bayelsa State Government says it will continue to engage its vibrant youths through sports and other recreational activities as a veritable tool in fighting idleness that often lead to crime and criminality among the young population in the state. The state governor, who was represented by his deputy, Senator Lawrence Erujakpo, said this while speaking at the kickoff ceremony of the 6th edition of the Prosperity Football Tournament in Yenagoa last week.
Since its inception in 2015, the Prosperity Football Tournament has continued to foster intercommunal interaction, peace and unity in the state, as well as bringing the people at the grassroots close to the government of the state. Continuing on this trajectory, Governor Doyodiri of Bayelsa State, who was represented by his deputy, Senator Lawrence Erujakpo, last weekend kicked off the 6th edition of the tournament. The 2024 tournament underway in Bayelsa will feature about 200 teams from various communities, security agencies, churches and even tertiary institutions, all competing for star prizes in both the male, female and para-sports categories. Speaking at the opening ceremony, Senator Erujakpo stressed that sport remains a veritable tool to positively channel the energies of the teeming young population across the length and breadth of the state.
Bayelsa State has taken sport as one of its major tools for bringing our youths out of drugs and out of criminality. And to a very great extent, we have made a lot of achievement in this direction. The successes recorded during the last competition are a testament of that feat we have achieved. The Federal Minister of Sports has endorsed us for 2 years. All the multinationals operating in this our state, please come and support us in this. This is the best way to take these children out of breaking your pipelines and taking them out of crime and criminality.
The general manager of the tournament, Mr. Kevin Akpe, said Bayelsans should expect another round of exciting competitions.
So I'm sure that as the tournament progresses, we'll see very great, outstanding football this year. We are working very closely with the State FA. We hope that with that collaboration and with the collaboration of the NFF, who their president was here last year at the finals, and the Sports Ministry, who wrote us a letter of endorsement.
The tournament, which has been described by many stakeholders in the game as one of the most formidable grassroots competition in Africa, underscores the state government's commitment to the empowerment of its talented youth through sporting activities.
Inside the Niger Delta,